Hi everyone. Today's tutorial will be about how to generate links of apps, images and videos and how to paste it in the description box. First we will generate the link of apps. Open Play Store. Then search the app for which you have to generate the link. I have searched PicsArt for example. Now you can see the logo of the app, click on that. Then upside you can see a 3-dot option, click on that. Then click on the share button. Now you can see the option, copy to clipboard. Click on that. Now you can exit the app. Now you can open Play Store and search YouTube Studio. I have already downloaded it, so directly I will open it. After opening the app you can log in your account. After login, now select the video for which you have to add the app's link. Upside you can see the edit option, press on it. And down you can see add description option, click on that. Now you can add details in the description and after that you can type the app name. Now long press on the screen. You can see an option opening. You can click on paste option. And now you can come back and press the save button. Now exit the app. Now I will open YouTube and show the video for which I have added the link. Now second tutorial will be about how to generate the link of pictures or videos from the gallery. Now open Play Store and search the app Mediafire. Then install the app. I have already installed it, so I will open it directly. Now you can click on the plus button and create a folder. Now click the folder which you have created. Now you can press on the arrow option and click on the image for which you have to generate the link. Now refresh the page. Now you can see the image appearing. Press and hold the image. Now you can see the share option upward, click on that. Then down you can see the option copy to clipboard, click on that. Then exit the app. And again open YouTube Studio, select the video for which you should add the link. Then upside you can see the edit option, press it. And down you can see add description option, click on that. Then you can type the picture name. Then press and hold the screen and now click on the paste option. And now you can come back and press the save button. Now exit the app. Now I will open YouTube and show the video for which I have added the link. Then you can do it same for video also. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.